Hi viewers! Hope you are well and enjoying the videos of supercars on my channel HMKsuper.cars. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell button too, so that you can get the new videos notification in time. Viewers, Aston Martin Valkyrie among the fastest and the most expensive hypercar of 2022. Aston Martin is a British brand that's synonymous with opulence, but this automaker has never had a hypercar to call its own. That changes with the launch of the Valkyrie, an aerodynamic, performance-themed speed demon that holds the distinction of being Aston Martin's first entry in the hypercar war. Aston's vehicles are typically marked by their elegant, somewhat restrained design, but the Valkyrie blazes a fresh path with its over-the-top styling. This is the type of car that looks like it would be right at home on a future world racetrack or in the next Transformers movie. The Valkyrie's hybrid powertrain produces a staggering 1160 horsepower. Pricing starts at $3 million, and production is extremely limited. Pricing and which one to buy. Valkyrie, $3 million estimated. Valkyrie AMR Pro, $3,500,000 estimated. The standard Valkyrie is street legal, but there's also an AMR Pro variant built solely for track use. Only 150 models of the standard Valkyrie will be offered. As for the Valkyrie AMR Pro, production is limited to 25 cars. Loaded with one-of-a-kind touches, the base car offers more than enough to keep a hypercar buyer satisfied. To improve aerodynamics, the Valkyrie ditches exterior mirrors in favor of rear-facing cameras mounted to the car's flanks. These cameras feed images to two cabin displays located on the car's A-pillars, allowing the driver to monitor the blind spots. You may also notice that there's no rear-view mirror. That's because there's no rear window. This feature is precluded by the car's bodywork and roof-mounted engine air intake. To optimize curb weight, the Valkyrie is composed entirely of carbon fiber. According to Aston Martin, there isn't a single steel component in the vehicle's structure. This hypercar is prohibitively expensive, but that hasn't hurt its ability to attract serious interest. Aston Martin reports that both the standard Valkyrie and Valkyrie AMR Pro are already sold out. The production model Valkyrie will feature a kinetic energy recovery system, KERS, similar to that used on Formula One racers. The car's hybrid technology was developed in tandem with Integral Powertrain Ltd. and Rimac, who supplied the electric motor and battery packs respectively. The electric motor is mounted in the Valkyrie's gearbox, and provides 280 Nm of torque on its own. Aston Martin's naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 produces maximum power at 10,500 RPM and 740 Nm of torque at 7,000 RPM, while its redline is fixed at 11,100 RPM. It was developed with Cosworth and Red Bull Racing, using expertise gained from their Formula One exploits. To increase the engine's reliability, most of its interior components, camshafts, crankshaft, pistons and so on, are milled from solid material. Also, its conrads are titanium, to help keep weight to a minimum. The result is an engine which tips the scales at 206 kilograms. Interestingly, the V12 is used to hold the rear of the Valkyrie together. It's a structural component of the car's chassis, which supports the rear wheels and suspension, and its removal cuts the Valkyrie in half, erasing the physical connection between the front and rear wheels. The Valkyrie has low and uncompromising bodywork, and is designed to be as close as possible to a road-going Formula One car. As such, the car's design is dominated by the laws of aerodynamics. Two huge Venturi tunnels run either side of the cockpit, skirting around the engine. Along with 2 vents in the Valkyrie's front splitter, Aston Martin say they provide considerable gains in downforce. The body is lightweight, being built mainly from carbon fiber and giving the hypercar a 1-to-1 power-to-weight ratio. The suspension is a completely new setup designed to be both usable on the road and able to cope with the amount of downforce the body will generate, which, in AMR Pro models, will be as much as 1,000 kilograms. The Valkyrie's interior is a symphony of minimalism, with naked carbon fiber adorning most of the visible surfaces and a dash which only features a couple of buttons and a central touchscreen. The removable steering wheel appears to have been lifted straight from a Le Mans car, with a series of buttons and toggle switches in place of conventional stalks to operate the major controls and drive functions. The seats are mounted directly to the carbon fiber tub, with Aston expecting drivers to adopt a reclined feet-up position reminiscent of today's Formula One and Le Mans prototype race cars. A 4-point harness will be fitted as standard, but an optional 6-point system can be specified if buyers intend to spend a lot of time on the track. A screen on the wheel acts as the instrument binnacle, while 2 screens attached to cameras on each side of the car act as replacements for conventional door mirrors. Rear visibility is likely to be poor, however, as the space normally occupied by the rear screen is claimed by a large engine intake. Michelin will provide the Valkyrie's tires. Aston have confirmed that its hypercar will run on the French company's Pilot Sport Cup 2 compound, sized at 265/30 ZR20 for the front and 325/30 ZR21 at the rear. The tires will be wrapped around magnesium alloy wheels featuring race-spec center lock nuts in a bid to reduce unsprung mass. Technology partnerships. Alongside Cosworth and Red Bull Racing, Alcon and Surface Transforms have joined the fold, providing the Valkyrie with a lightweight, powerful braking system. The German technology manufacturer, Bosch, will also supply the hypercar's traction control system, electronic stability program and engine control unit. The gearbox is a new design, developed by Newey and the Red Bull Racing team specifically for the Valkyrie. Newey admitted that he's wanted to build a road car for a long time. He told us that it's an ambition he's had since the tender age of 6. The opportunity to develop and realize those ideas with Merrick and the team from Aston Martin is tremendously exciting, he said. It allows us to translate the technology we have developed in F1 into a new arena. Like Mercedes-AMG did with the One, Aston Martin poured all their Formula One knowledge, experience, and engineering talent into the Valkyrie, and what resulted is a car that is truly formidable, and it looks the part as well. A Cosworth-developed V12 is matched by exterior design and stance that makes the Valkyrie look like it could pounce at any moment, and it can. Guys, what do you like about Aston Martin Valkyrie? Is it your dream hypercar? Tell me in comments, like the video and subscribe my channel HMKsuper.cars. In the next upcoming videos we'll explore more about the most expensive Ferrari, Koenigsegg and Bugatti in 2022. Till then, take care and goodbye.